Okay, tile days tomorrow. I really have to work hard today to get this window in because we have to put molding around the window and the tile is going all the way up to the ceiling. So they have to tile around the molding. This window was tricky. It's bars on the outside. So everything about it has changed. The wall up top is deeper. It used to be a shelf pushed back. Um, the bars that they have, this is an old house. So the bars that they have can't be, the bars can't be opened up from the outside. It's a small window, but it's all rotted, just like everything else was in here. This is an old house. So I have to really can't see the window until I take it out. Then I have to recreate it. It's going to be a challenge. It's something I said I was going to do. I should have said cover it up, but the problem is it's stone on the outside. And drilling through that stone to put a vent in was just going to be prohibitive. It's almost probably more expensive to drill through that stone. Stone had to be 8 to 12 inches thick in some places, so that's a non-starter. Wasn't going to happen. So we're going to cut this window out, pull it out, and begin the rebuild of this little window. It's probably going to take me all day, if I'm lucky.
I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. 'Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Oh man, taking the game. I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me.